In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add folder to Yahoo Mail. First, let's start by opening Yahoo Mail. You will see the familiar Yahoo Mail interface, which is vibrant and user-friendly. Look for the Yahoo Mail icon on your desktop or open your web browser and type in yahoo.com. Then log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you are in, you will notice the layout is designed to help you easily navigate your emails and folders. Starting here is crucial because it sets the stage for all the folder management that follows. Next, in the left pane, click on Folders. The left pane is where you manage all your email folders. You will see various existing folders such as Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. This section is essential because it allows you to organize your emails effectively. A well-structured folder system can help you save time and find your emails quickly later. When you click on Folders, you will see a list of options available to you, and we are ready to create a new folder. Now, click on New Folder. This option usually appears at the top of the folders list. Once you click on it, a small text box will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new folder. This action is important because it signifies your intent to create a dedicated space for organizing specific types of emails. A well-named folder can make it easier for you to categorize and retrieve emails when you need them. After that, type the folder name. Make sure to choose a name that clearly reflects the contents you plan to store in this folder. For instance, you might name it Projects or Family. This clarity in naming will pay off later when you are searching for emails. Once you've typed the name, take a moment to double-check it for spelling errors. An accurately named folder ensures you won't have trouble locating it down the road. Next, click Add. This action will create the folder instantly, and you will notice it appear in your folders list without any delay. This step is significant because it confirms that your folder has been successfully created and is ready for use. Once the folder is added, you can see it alongside your other folders, ready to store your important emails. Finally, open the new folder from the folder list. Simply click on the name of the folder you just created. This will take you into that folder where you can start moving emails or saving new ones directly. Accessing your new folder ensures that you are familiar with its layout and functionality. You are now all set to start organizing your emails effectively. Adding folders in Yahoo Mail is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your email management. Following these steps can lead to a more organized inbox, ultimately saving you time and reducing stress. Remember, a clean and well-structured email environment helps you stay focused and productive. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your newly organized Yahoo Mail.